Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. This is a bug report for Visual Studio Code. I've created a new file, an ipynb file. Control S. Seems to work. But it didn't pick up the files, the file type. Let me try AltF. AltF does not work. But if I do AltF here, it does work. If I go to another ipynb file, AltF does not work. Go to the calc file, it does work. So I'm going to do that as a file. Oh, you see that? File save as does not work now again. Nope, not working. Let's try this. Alt file save as, and now I can change this one. But I cannot change this calc file. So let's go ahead and start all over. Control Shift P. I'm going to create a new blank Jupyter document. And it's got the local started, and now it started off with untitled 2, alt file or alt F, no response. Go to file, save as, no response. File save. Control S, and now it works. Now that's really quite strange. So, and I have to put the ipynb in there. Let's see if that works. It does. And now alt file save as. Again, alt F does not work. Let's try again. Let's delete this one and alt F. All right, now it works. Save as, but no save as. So it's really mixed quality in terms of the UI. Thanks for watching, and I hope there's a fix.